If you've been searching for a travel trailer that feels just right for two people, the idea of a perfect couple's RV probably means something a little different to everyone. But if you're into something lightweight, easy to tow, compact, and still comfortable enough to feel like home, the R-Pod lineup is definitely worth checking out. And one model that really stands out right now is the RP198. The R-Pod series from Forest River has built a strong reputation for offering lightweight trailers that don't skimp on comfort. Over the years, it's become a go-to option for couples and small families who want something practical without giving up those home-like touches. In the 2026 lineup, there are 15 different floor plans to choose from, and the RP198 sits right in that sweet spot. Not too small, not too big, but packed with features you don't always see in this category. One of the biggest highlights here is the private bedroom, which is something you don't always get in smaller trailers. That alone makes a big difference, especially if you value your own space. But it doesn't stop there. This layout also introduces a separate dinette and a distinct lounge area, giving you more flexibility in how you relax, eat, or entertain. The RP198 comes in at just over 25 feet long, making it relatively compact and easy to tow, while still offering enough room to feel comfortable. It's designed primarily for couples, but it can sleep up to 3 people in its standard setup, or even 4 if you go for the optional trifold sofa instead of the theater seating. Inside, you enter directly into the rear living and dining area. At the very back, there's a cozy 2-person dinette that can double as a small bed if needed. Across from the entry, a slide-out section houses comfortable theater seats and a large fridge with a freezer. It's a smart use of space that keeps everything feeling open without wasting an inch. The kitchen sits along the campsite side and is set up in an L shape, giving you a good amount of prep and counter space. You've got a 2-burner cooktop, a microwave convection oven that even includes an air fryer function, and a nicely sized sink. There's also a TV positioned so you can watch comfortably from the seating area. Moving toward the center of the trailer, you'll find the pass-through bathroom. This layout might not be everyone's favorite, but it actually works really well here. It allows for a fully private bedroom at the front, while still giving people in the back their own space. The bathroom itself is surprisingly roomy for a trailer this size, with an enclosed shower, a toilet, and enough space to move around without feeling cramped. Up front, the bedroom features a walk-around queen bed, which is always a nice upgrade in a compact RV. There are wardrobes on both sides, and even space to mount a second TV. One standout detail is the large curved front window, which opens up the space and brings in plenty of natural light. There's also pass-through storage underneath the bed that you can access from outside. Another thing that really adds value here is how well equipped the RP198 is right out of the gate. It's designed to be ready for camping as soon as you get it, with features like a 200-watt solar setup, a heated and enclosed underbelly, a powerful air conditioning unit, and a tankless water heater. It's also built with durable materials that help with insulation and longevity. On the outside, you get some great extras too, like an outdoor kitchen with a griddle, an exterior shower with hot and cold water, motion sensor lighting, and prep for a rear camera. There's even a tire pressure monitoring system included, which is a nice touch for peace of mind on the road. For water capacity, it comes with 30-gallon tanks across the board and a 14-foot power awning to extend your living space outdoors. If you want to take it even further, there's an optional package that adds more ground clearance, all-terrain tires, and tank heaters for colder weather camping. When it comes to price, the RP198 sits in that mid-range category. The listed MSRP is in the mid-$40,000 range, but most buyers will likely find it closer to the low $30,000 depending on deals and options. Overall, this is one of those trailers that really tries to balance size, comfort, and practicality. It's easy to tow, thoughtfully designed, and packed with features that make life on the road feel a lot more like home.